Riku!
I'm slowly dying.
Blonde chick. Asian chick.
You want me to put this in my...
No. That's blonde.
I don't like being filmed.
Blonde chick, no wait, that's Ren, right?
Blonde boy.
I get confused, I'm sorry. Lin, Gaito, Tautaka. Kaka, what?
I don't know.
She said the name right.
I did. I was just like...
I said Takawa, whatever. It's so good.
It's not just say that you want a taco. I want a
No, I don't want a taco. I got taco.
We'll eat a fucking taco.
You eat a taco.
Where are these said tacos?
Up your ass and around the corner of the avenue, and I don't know what I just said, but whatever. He finally made it. He's like so late.
I know. Like, I really think
What the hell are you talking about? You? Oh. Alright, that makes everything easier. Hold the camera.
Why?
Record.
Record? What? Why am I recording? I don't like this. No.
Wait. I just know what's happening here.
I don't know what's going on.
No.
Okay, well at least
Can someone take this back? Yowie. This back. I don't know how to use a camera. I don't know how to use technology.
I like my glasses. Just put them in your pocket.
How many glasses?
So you two about to head out too?
What?
Are you two about to head out too?
Yeah. I think so.
Everyone's leaving us.
Oh, I don't know. That's up to her.
Stop meowing! No one's petting you!
It's not meowing, it's nyai.
No, I'm not going there.
Whoa! My head hurts. Like my head actually
They've been doing this since about 3 o'clock.
Damn the Pop-Tart cat!
So who wants to hold my camera?
Last time I checked,
I want to hold it.
Huh?
I want to hold it.
Riku! Get on Riku! Ah, okay, stop it.
It's okay, they're both black, it makes sense.
Okay, so there's a chicken and an egg laying in bed together, and the chicken's lying, and then all full of himself and confident, the egg's just kind of sitting there all annoyed, and so the egg just says, well, guess we finally learned the answer to that question.
Oh!
Just, okay, think about it. Which
I wasn't listening. I was like staring off that way.
Never mind.
Three guys
Okay, I'm sorry.
Three guys walking to the bar, the fourth one ducks.
I know that joke.
That's basically my meal for tomorrow.
Ew! Yeah, I kind of just get the game part of everything, but...
I am a badass Riku. You're wearing big shades.
You have to do a badass face since you have the glasses for it. I can't
take you
seriously.
We're gonna do this again.
The voice of lazy on my radio show, actually.
Move into the water.
Go! Work that ass. Oh, you were smart. You brought Crocs.
That sucks. What does that mean?
Crocs aren't attractive, for information, but whatever.
What?
I don't know. I didn't say anything.
Just something about rock hard.
I did not say anything like that.
I didn't mean that rock hard. Oh, and you put your hand up, rock hard. Oh, I thought you were asking who was rock hard. What? Somebody slapped my ass. Soy was oh my god! Really?
Yeah, he's also blue and pasta.
Somebody slapped stuff. Really?
Yeah.
Slapped stuff. Wow.
Hi.
We going?
That guy's
I need wood.
What?
Somebody slapped it in my ass.
See you tomorrow.
Wait, it's like... Yeah.
If you want to do that, you just have to do this.
Oh look, you can flip it, we can invert it, we can do this. Ah! Wait, the screen just went black there, you know, there was nothing. Oh, they're mesmerized by people that...
Well, I didn't like the fact that his ass got slapped too. Mine was just better. Who slapped my ass?
Dead ass. Hey, I'm over here this time.
Okay. Damn.
Oh, dead ass.
Everyone's asses are getting slapped now.
I enjoy it as long as it's not a guy.
Dare to be drug free. No.
Yeah, it's drug free.
A big meal time.
I wore a Sad Club shirt against smoking.
That was funny, I got that on here.
Nope, come back here.
Oh my gosh, my sad club person sees that because I quit anyway.
Is that shirt from anything?
Oh my gosh!
Yes.
What is it from?
Go to YouTube and type that. You'll find giant food.
Oh my god, it's like. I made my dad watch an episode of Epic Meal Time.
Bacon. Gay bacon strips. Gay bacon strips. Gay bacon strips.
We're gonna take the grease off the bacon and put rum in it.
Jack Daniels. A deep fried. I love that.
Big Macs to shoot.
Okay, so
I like Big Mac.
No, there was one where like, 3 girls buy like 15 or 16 Big Macs. They get robbed and Muscles beats them up and kills them.
Yes.
It was the best episode ever.
You know what? You know what I do with $200,000? Spending on Big Macs. Spending on Big Macs.
You know how to dance?
I did not get fat. That's the thing.
I don't know about you.
Did you hear the story about the guy who tried to save himself kidnapping and demanded a ransom money of $200?
Was he drunk and high or
But I
both?
think he was on drugs. But
All right.
hey, listen.
Guys, I got a new summon. Yeah. I have a new summon. It's called Olita Gothic Chick Slut Girl. Now, damn!
That was mean as fuck.
I do look like
This is you.
a prostitute.
You don't look like what I meant. This is not what I meant when I talked to you earlier today.
Give me that. You don't know how to use a damn summon. Where'd the summon go?
I don't want to go.
Yeah. Well, so apparently I've lost a summon. Nope. Bye, Elise. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow.